Hi children, welcome to social class. Aim to explain the political expansion of Gupta dynasty, to describe the political achievements of Harshavardhana. Some important keywords related in these lessons are dynasty, dynasty, conquer, conquer, conflict, conflict, revenue, revenue, assembly, assembly, and administration, administration. Students, did you know why the 4th century is marked as a golden period of Indian history? A new dynasty came to power in the Ganga Yamuna plains. This was the Gupta dynasty. This period was often referred to as a golden age because of the considerable achievements of Indians in the fields of mathematics, astronomy, science, religion, and philosophy during the Gupta period. The founder of the Gupta dynasty was Sri Gupta. It was his grandson Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, and Chandragupta II were the main rulers of the Gupta dynasty. The Gupta kings ruled the northern part of the country. Why was Samudragupta known as Indian Napoleon? Samudragupta was the greatest ruler of the Gupta dynasty. The Western scholars equate him with Napoleon and call him Indian Napoleon due to the extensive military conquests. His court poet and minister Harisena composed the Allahabad pillar inscription or Prayag Prasasti. How do you think Samudragupta established such a large empire? Samudragupta established a large empire through various methods. He controlled the Ganga Yamuna plains after defeating the 9 rulers in the region. He maintained a friendly relationship with rulers of East. He accepted tributes from the rulers of the South. After defeating them, he had relations through marriage with the rulers of Sri Lanka and Northwest region. Chandragupta II was the next great Gupta emperor after his father Samudragupta. He proved to be an able ruler and conqueror with many achievements to his credit. He came to be known by his title Vikramaditya. It means son of power. He carried on the legacy of Samudragupta and contributed his share towards sustaining an extensive empire that carved out a place for itself in history. The Gupta rulers, after the last strong Gupta ruler, Skandagupta, were not able to control the empire due to constant invasions by the Huns and the revolts of the Samantas. Next, we will learn about the kingdoms which come into power after the decline of the Gupta Empire by expanding or conquering their territory. Harshavardhana belonged to the Pushyapudi dynasty. He first ruled from Taneshwar but later moved his capital to Kannauj. He extended his kingdom to Punjab, Gujarat, Bihar, Odisha, and Bengal. Harshavardhana, after defeating the Bengal ruler, brought the entire northern region under his control. However, he was stopped from expanding beyond the Vindhyas to the south by Pulikesi II. Harshavardhana was a patron of literature and an efficient king. He promoted Buddhism and built many monasteries during his reign. Monasteries and temples became centers of learning. The court poet Panapatta praises Harshavardhana for his efficient rule and for his contribution to Buddhism in his biography Harsacharita. Chinese traveler Yuan Shuang, who visited and stayed in the court of Harshavardhana, also wrote about the kingdom and its practices. Harshavardhana was a worshipper of Lord Shiva, but later embraced Buddhism. He was also a poet and a dramatist. His famous written books include Ratnavali, Nagananda, and Priyadarshika. The king was the most powerful, but he could not be present everywhere. Hence, he divided in his empire into provinces that were governed by a governor, who would generally be a member of the royal family. The king appointed many officials to help him in administration, such as the Mahananda Nayaka or chief judge and the Shanti Vigrahika or minister of war and peace. Land and trade tax were the main sources of income. Revenue was used to maintain the army, for the salary of officers and for welfare work. The villages had local assemblies called the Sabha to look after their needs. Okay students, today what we learned? Today we learned Gupta dynasty and Harshavardhana dynasty. Thank you students.